In this video, we will look at how to create a site collection policy. Once logged into Governance Automation, click on Policy from the opening screen. On this page, you will see a list of existing site collection policies, as well as at the top here, different types of policies, such as content database. For the benefit of this video, let's go ahead and create a new site collection policy by clicking on the Create button. From this page, simply click on Site Collection Policy. On this entry page, enter the policy name. For this example, we'll call it Basic Policy. From the policy category, we'll select Administration. And finally, in the farm category, we'll select a SharePoint 2016 production farm, which is highlighted here, but also notice the My Registered Sites, which are the Office 365 site collections, and all the other SharePoint farms that we do support. Let's click now on the next page. On this page, notice the different options to govern SharePoint content databases, including Content Database Policy, highlighted here. We will keep the default setting for this example. As we scroll down, notice all the different other governance automation scenarios, quota templates for instance, SharePoint designer configurations, site maximum depth limit. This is to limit the number of subsites in your site collection. Let's click on the next page to see the other options. Optionally, Governance Automation can extend governed concepts to other DocAv modules, as listed here. For this example, let's select Archiver and Auditing. Notice the differences here. While auditing is not asking for any profiles, enabling DocAv Archiver is asking for a preset profile in DocAv Archiver, and also asking for an approval process. Let's click on the next page. A true governed environment would not be complete without lifecycle management scenarios. As we can read here, Governance Automation supports multiple lifecycle scenarios. For our example here, let's select Enable Deletion of Entire Site Collection, and also let's select Enable Extension of Site Collection Lease. In this area, we'll also force it to be no more than 6 months. As you can see, there's other options here that you can use. These options require the usage of a default approval process, so let's go ahead and select one. To overcome proliferation of unused site collections, you can set inactivity threshold to take action on those unused site collections, as you can see here. If we use the site collection lease concept, you need to manage the associated tasks and impacts. Once a site collection lease expires, let's give the business user 1 week to address the situation, like request an extension as previously set. If you are required to set site collection quotas lifecycle concepts, you can select some threshold and actions to be taken once quota is reached. For this example, though, we are not going to use this topic, so there's no need to select it. For this video, we will not use recertification. For more information on this topic, please view the relevant video on Governance Automation recertification process. This concludes the creation of site collection policy. Let's click on Save and Activate so this policy is ready to be used. Clicking on the newly created site policy will give you an overview of these configurations. Notice the possible actions in the ribbon. For instance, here you could easily print these configurations for further review. This concludes our How to Create a Governance Automation Site Collection Policy video.